Stick 'em up. Okay, the plan for today is front and rear subframes out, engine tidy up. So might as well go full send on this thing now. I think I'm gonna refresh them in the garden, get them all beautifully like e-coated, full overhaul. God damn, it's looking empty in here. Yo, what you doing? Was this you? You little weasel. Hide the battery, hide the fuse boxes, and get the radiator out and clean up the entire bay. Got some engine degreaser, get rid of all these bloody stains. Want to do something about this ABS pump. Bloody ugly. That, maybe in the wing. Don't know much about making brake lines. How hard can it be? Air pump. Don't need you anymore, you basket. Oh, it's not an air pump, it's my turbo. Nice PPF headlights, standing up good. I think we're going to do the front subframe first. Everything should already be loose because we dropped it before and just finger tightened it. Bolts all the way out, not all the way, but you know, finger tighten. You know, I might leave the coilovers in front and rear. Why not save a bit of weight? Marvellous. Gonna get these e-coated, low control arms, full subframe. I'm thinking blue like the car. Disconnect the anti-roll bar. Gonna drop the subframe as one complete unit. Ready to get fresh. Connect it back to the coilies when we're done. Now for the upper control arm bolts. These should be loose already, you know. These were previously aligned by ABP Motorsports. Guess next year we're coming back. Come on, here we go. Put the bolts back in where they came from. Otherwise, I will forget. ABS sensor bracket, you can come off too. So let's this side done almost. Let's get under some extensiones. DSD Tools eBay special box. There's me. There we go. Gator grips, best gloves in the game. Rusty cars means rusting your damn eyes. So let's connect me bolts back in so we remember where they come from. Hey, here you go. You ain't getting no food from me. Always bolts back in. Beautiful, marvellous, spectacular. Look at the length of them bad boys. Honda made them extremely long so you can do clutches with the engine still in the car. Good guys, Honda. You know what, how long will this take to do by hand? Too long. Nice and easy. Subframe time. So the shortest of the three goes in the middle. 15 longest towards the back of the car, shortest in the middle of the car. This is where I get squished by a subframe. If it falls, it falls. If we die, we die. Nice and easy does it. Science. Oh well, didn't damage anything, I hope. It came down slowly. Brake disc this side. Oh no, I'm not touching. Oh, it's not super heavy. Don't sound the best. We've got it out. It's a success. Okay, front subframe out and take everything into the garden where we're gonna rebuild it. So I'm thinking, try and match the lower control arms, the hubs, subframe to the Tegua blue. All the underside is going to be beautifully blue, even though the car is going to be white. So bolts back in. The 19 long, well, medium in there, the 19 short in the middle, the 15 extra long towards the back of the car. Shampoo. That is the front sorted. Might as well just take the radiator out whilst we're here. Bottom hose is disconnected, so let's shampoo. Whilst we're here, let's do some upgrades. Just a low temp thermal switch, Mishimoto. Just brings on the radiator fan a little bit earlier. Nice. Speaking of upgrades, look who's here.
I came in the wrong car.
Go bring the other one.
Yeah,
A race car. Assalamu alaikum.
How you doing?
Chilling. Front and rear subframes out. So park up, man.
Pull it out and do something.
Fans. Well, Sabil, you need to bring your K20 EF here one day.
I'll bring it over to
And he's got a wicked A86 as well. No, we'll get that on the channel. 100%.
Definitely.
140i's come as well. Asbo car. Step 1. Rear ABS sensors disconnected. Can't see that well, but there's a orange plug down the back. Because I ain't paying £250 a sensor again, because I know they will be rusted through. Did a bit of weight reduction. Got rid of the spare tyre. That's not going back in there. Work is now beginning on the rear subframe. Got Waj here. It's helped me put the car back together when my boy crash damaged. Happy days. So we got 6 subframe bolts. Now Waj, enough of enough. We're gonna drop the exhaust as a full one piece. It's disconnected from the front, isn't it?
No, but will it go over this?
We're gonna take it off.
Oh, okay.
We'll just take all of that off. So here we go. My diff bush is a bit fucking crashed. So 6 bolts on the rear subframe. 1, 2. We're gonna take the pumpkin out too, and we'll drop everything with it. Same as the front. We're gonna leave the coilovers attached. Jack on the pumpkin, and we'll be golden. I'll get to work on the prop shaft. Just disconnect that. You know, stuff is getting a bit heated. And if we get the blowtorch out, got some seized bolts. Don't want to snap in. Here's a pyromaniac.
Said seize bolt is out in my hand.
Oh, there you go. Grab the second one.
We'll see if you need the torch.
Send it. That's the one that usually snaps.
Oh,
All good.
yeah.
Okay.
Looks like the lube helped. Oh. I didn't even had pressure on it.
Unlucky. Minor. Sorry, I'll take the cover off. That's the one that snaps, and guess why it snaps? Quick update.
Don't chop the thing.
We've got the bolts out the subframe. Subframe has left the chassis, but on either side the rear brake lines are freaking the brass nuts being rounded off. So as you can see, there's, so I think I'm just gonna have to end up cutting these, man. So we got the boys on the other side. Gonna have to cut these, I think, man. Gonna have to get some custom lines going. That's it.
Keep your hand on the back for me, please. Yeah,
That is the rear subframe out as well. Wheeled out from a, what a bitch this was. Sabil, why are you shy now? You know, this gives a good luck charm, you know. Managed to get both of the fled steel lines out of the tings. So now we're just disconnecting the diff from the subframe. All the bolts are loose. Front ones are practically out, back ones out, but we're just tightening them back up. Disconnecting the drive shafts, and then we're calling it a day for today anyway. Proving to be a little more difficult than we thought. It's because of rusty bolts. Goddamn Hondas for you. Front subframe out, rear subframe out, and the goddamn pumpkins out too. All on my mum's drive. Only tricky bits were just snapped a little bolt on camera on the caliper. This bolt here was stuck. Goddamn brake lines. And that was it. Happy days. Now time to take this into the back, disassemble it, and get it E-coated or E-plated. Whatever. We're going to do it. Stay tuned. I wonder who did all the work. Mr. Clean Hands over here. Oh, this brother.
I'm filthy, mate.
Yeah, one of us wore gloves and the other one didn't. Don't claim credit for everything, Raj.
It's a good day's graft. That's what it is.
She's empty. Ready for the big boy treatment.
K24 inbound.
And there we go. Front subframe in the garden. Rear subframe in the garden. It's going to tackle a refurb in here. Slowly but surely we're going to get everything beautiful, everything uniform. So that is me done. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Appreciate a like, comment and a subscription. And if you want to see some more janky ass Honda work, you know where to come. It's a big Sag build. Oh, them gloves are good, you know, the gator grips. Nice.